Now let's talk about rotation in ellipse. So for that I'm going to this ellipse, and you can go ahead with this axis end or elliptical end. So just to demonstrate you that, I will go with this axis end. So I will click on this axis and this axis, and after that you will get this rotation. So I'll click on the rotation, and from here you can actually specify the rotation around the major axis. So this is the major axis, and to specify the rotation, so it will get rotated along this major axis. So if I just simply enter a value 0 for 0 degrees, so you can enter a value up to less than 90 degrees. So either you can just so the range is the bottom range is 0 and the top range is 90 degree. So for that I will just simply enter 0, and then if I hit enter you will get this circle. So now if I just simply go ahead and delete this circle, or I'm going to draw the same thing here. Let me just simply press escape, and this time I will go to this this ellipse, and here I will again use this axis end, and this time I will do the same thing. So just to get the tracking of that, I will click here. I will do the same thing again. I will click here, and like that I can do that thing. Now I will again go and click on this rotation. Now here what I will do is you have to specify the rotation around the major axis, which is this one, major axis. And this time let's suppose that the maximum value you cannot simply enter 90 degree, because obviously that will create a straight line. So let me just simply go here and enter the value as 89 degree. And if I do that, if I press enter, you can see that this is what you're going to get if you just simply hit that enter. So this one is getting rotated by 89 degree by that. So higher the angle, smaller be the length of the minor axis. You can see the here the angle was smaller, so we are getting this minor axis. Here the angle is higher, so that's why we are getting this minor axis. Now this is a smallest length of minor axis. Now let's say what exactly is happening here. So basically this one is getting rotated by the major axis. So let's see how this one is getting rotated. So I will do the same thing or here as well. So for that I will just simply press shift and control my middle mouse track, and then after that I will try to rotate this one like this. You can see I'm rotating this, and how this one is rotating, and that's exactly what was happening earlier. You can see now I am just simply close to 90 degrees, so that's why I am getting this kind of shape. So you can see this one front, so that's why that's how the rotation works. Now for just to go back in our original position, I will just simply press shift and middle scroll wheel, and after that I will just simply go to this top. I will click on the top, and then after that I will get this.